I have been waiting for this moment for more than 6 months, and now I can finally throw lures in the water. I don't even know what's on this reel. I haven't used it in so long. I think that's a fluorocarbon leader. Probably. It's a short one too. So now I can finally test lures. And if you don't know, I'm doing a live stream every Friday where we make a new lure, and last Friday we made one, and today we're gonna test it. Now don't worry, the rest of the lures that we made before, I'm still gonna test those, but just gonna have to wait a bit. Here it is. I did a small modification to it. If you watched the live stream, I added a new gill. This wasn't here, and oh, I damaged it already. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave this leader or change it. I'll probably change it in a bit. Let's see. Hooks. Do I have proper hooks? You can steal one from other lures. Okay, we're not gonna fish here, but because it's calm water, I can test the lure better. And then we'll go to where I usually fish. Let's see, does it sink? Yes. Ooh, I don't know if you can see it, but it swims. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, we're definitely gonna catch some fish. It's a slow sinker. I think it even wobbles on the way down, yeah? Cool. I'm gonna fish this all day. I wanna catch a fish on it. No, we hit the ground. Well, at least this means that it dives well. Yeah, we're definitely hitting the ground. The lip survived. Cool. Let's try to get a video for the Discord server. By the way, join the Discord server if you want to get more frequent updates. Okay, so I'll fish here for like 5-10 minutes. I don't want to fish here too much. And then we'll go to the other spot. Okay, we are at my spot and the water levels are down, which is a good thing. Last time the water was like up here and now it's down there. That's like more than a meter of water, but that's how I used to fish. Oh my god, I got stung by crab. I get stung by this plant and it hurts. Let's see, I hope I don't get snagged on the first cast. But I know that right there's a deep hole. So let's see. To be honest, I'm not expecting like much because it's still early season. It's like the first day in the season. And some people even wait till next month to start lure fishing. But I haven't fished in 6 months, so I don't care if it's early season or not. I was worried about the color, but it looks beautiful in the water. And because of the, what is it called, iridescence in the color shift, it's a shiny lure. I mean, it's green, it's not green, it has a yellow spot, a white eye. We don't want more than that. Okay, let's move on. The target fish is gonna be primarily chub because they are very abundant in this area. I guess perch. We can catch perch here too. Pike, of course. Ah, no. No. Please don't. I don't want to get into the water right now. I knew I was gonna get snagged at some point. I was getting too close to the rocks. Let's see. I hope I don't fall. Ooh. Ah, these stinky plants again. Okay, nice. We got it. Thinking about changing the lure just to see if I can catch anything or not, and then I'll put it back. So I'm gonna try this tiny Selma Hornet. This lure have seen better days. A pike once crushed it, and now I have to adjust it every couple of casts or it will not swim well. Let's see. Yeah, no, it works. If this does not catch a perch, nothing will. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got one. I think it's a chub. It's a chub, right? We think. Oops. No, not my favorite lure. Yeah, that lure is gone. You know what? Next live stream, I'm making a hornet, a tiny hornet. Back to my lure. Let's do something. I'm gonna wait like 5-6 seconds and then start retrieving. Oh, it worked! It worked! Oh, that's a nice fish. I cannot believe it worked. That's a good fish. I hope I did not foul hook a carp or something. Ah, finally a fish on my 3D printed lure. There's a curious dog here. Come here. Oh wow. What are you? You're either a foul hooked fish or you're a big fish. And I hope you're not a carp. Oh wow, it's a big fish. Oh, it's a barbel? I foul hooked a barbel? I think I foul hooked a barbel. Still official. Is it official? What do you guys think? Okay, it's hooked in its mouth, so technically it was trying to eat the lure. Oh my god, it's big. It's so big. That's what she said. That's a nice barbel. Sorry you get hooked with trebles. I was not expecting you to bite a lure. Yeah, sorry about that. We need a picture for the Discord. Oh, you're a nice fish. You're a very nice fish. Okay, you can go. I did not expect this at all. Yeah, again, so I was not expecting to catch this. I had no idea barbel eats lures. I don't think it meant to eat the lure. I don't know, but the hook was in its mouth. One hook was in the mouth and one hook was in the gills. That is the weirdest thing ever. Anyways, I'm gonna wait for the lure to hit the water, the bottom, and then I'm gonna retrieve it slowly. Now this way there's a big chance to lose the lure, but at least we're fishing at the right depth. The lure was like bumping on the rocks. I was feeling it and it got hooked. I thought that I got stuck. Okay, so we're talking on Discord and apparently barbel can be caught on lures. I did not know that. So they do eat fish. Interesting information. Oh no. Yeah, I think that's it. I have a feeling that this is it. Yeah, it's in there. It served us well. Ah man, I'll print some more tomorrow.